If a plant is not watered for some time, slowly it will wither and die. If a lamp is not filled with oil for some time, gradually the flame becomes lighter and then disappears. If a domestic hen is not given food for some time, very soon it shall die of hunger. If a pigeon is injured with an arrow, it will lose a lot of blood, and then it shall die. But God never dies, since He is all-powerful, needless, and invulnerable. God is not like a branch of flower. He doesn't need water, and He will never die if He is not watered. God is not like a flame of a lamp either. He will not die because of lack of oil. God, unlike other creatures, will never die of hunger because He doesn't need food. No one can injure God, hence He can never die of loss of blood. He is needless and all-powerful. Life of all the creatures is in the hands of God. Death cannot overpower God, because God is most powerful than anything you can think of. God has blessed us with life and bestowed us with enjoyments. He is alive and will always remain alive. God will never die.